Hello, this is Sophia. So today is the March 2022. So the war in Ukraine and the news. Okay, today let's learn the Mandarin Chinese. How to say it? Russia, Ukraine, and Kyiv. Okay, let's start now.
俄罗斯、乌克兰、基辅
Rossia, Ukraine, Kyiv. Rossia, Ukraine, Kyiv.
俄罗斯、乌克兰、基辅俄罗斯、乌克兰、基辅
Okay, now next we go see the stroke writing. 俄罗斯、乌克兰、基辅 This is traditional Chinese. This is simplicity Chinese. And 乌克兰 the wu similar to the bird 鸟 let's take a look 乌克兰 Okay, let's go see it. Okay, 鸟 this is 鸟 Okay, this is 鸟 means bird. Okay, and the 乌克兰
鸟
this is Ukraine 乌克兰this is a traditional Chinese.
乌
I'm from Taiwan, and we learn traditional
克
Chinese. 兰 Ukraine. Wūkèlán.
Lan
Now let's take a look at the wu is called wu, not 鸟 not bird. It's called wu. Wu means dark color called wu. Let's say called 鸟 Okay, similar Okay, 鸟 this means bird. Alright, there's an extra stroke inside. And the
鸟
there's no additional stroke inner the box. Okay, 鸟
鸟
see, there's one here. And now called bird. Okay, let's go see the simplicity Ukraine. Okay, this is these are China's writing in the, let me see. Let me do this. Okay, this is okay, wūkèlán. Let me try see the simplicity traditional. Simplified. Okay, this is how
乌
ke
克
蓝
蓝
Okay, wūkèlán. Okay, these are traditional. These are simplified. Okay, let's go read Russia. 俄罗斯，俄罗斯。
俄
罗
罗
This is
斯
traditional. Okay, let's do the simplified. Okay. The blue part means I, 我
俄
and this is called 罗. So you learn both traditional and
罗
simplified. 斯
斯
Okay, great. All right, let's do here. Okay, Russia, 俄罗斯 Ukraine, 乌克兰 not 鸟克兰 it's called 乌克兰 Kyiv, 基辅 Okay, let's read what the Bible scripture says about the nation's war. Okay, it's from the book of Mathew, chapter 24.
Book of Matthew chapter 24. And Jesus said to them in answer, Take care that you are not tricked. For people will come in my name, saying, I am the Christ. And a number will be turned from the true way through them. And news will come to you of wars and talk of wars. Do not be troubled, for these things have to be, but it is still not the end. For nation will be moved against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and men will be without food, and the earth will be shaking in different places. But all these things are the first of the troubles. Then they will be cruel to you, and will put you to death, and you will be hated by all nations because of my name.
Okay, great. So you can repeat. Play the video to learn Mandarin. And here, okay, let me see. Let's go back here. Today we learn 俄罗斯、乌克兰、基辅. Okay, let's go back here. You can play back.
俄罗斯乌克兰基辅
Okay, bye now. See you next video. God bless you. Be peace and safe.